Welcome back to Detroit Motor Marvels, the channel where we bring you the boldest, baddest, and most beautiful machines on four wheels. Today we're diving deep into the world of high-performance SUVs with a vehicle that's as comfortable conquering a winding back road as it is navigating a grocery store parking lot, the Mercedes AMG GLC. If you love car reviews, deep dives, and epic comparisons, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We're all about that automotive passion here. Now let's get into everything you need to know about the Mercedes AMG GLC, from its blistering performance figures to its luxurious interior and cutting-edge technology. Buckle up! So, what makes the Mercedes AMG GLC different from a regular GLC? It's all in the letters AMG. AMG is Mercedes-Benz's high-performance division. AMG offers the GLC 43 and the GLC 63 SE Performance. The GLC 63 SE Performance is a tire-shredding beast. AMG represents the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz performance. Under the hood of the GLC 43 AMG, you'll find a potent 2-liter inline-4 turbocharged engine. This setup churns out 416 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. That's enough to propel the GLC 43 from 0 to 60 mph in 4.7 seconds. But for mind-bending performance, the GLC 63 SE Performance is the one to have. It packs a hand-built 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. The combined output? 671 horsepower and 1,020 Nm of torque. The GLC 63 SE Performance rockets from 0 to 60 mph in 3.4 seconds, faster than many supercars. Whether you choose the GLC 43 or the GLC 63 SE Performance, you're in for an unforgettable driving experience. Now let's talk about how these performance SUVs look, because let's be honest, first impressions matter. The AMG GLC models aren't just about brute force, they're about presence, about making a statement wherever they go. And trust me, they do just that. From the outside, the AMG GLCs share the same sculpted lines and athletic stance as their tamer GLC siblings, but with a healthy dose of aggression thrown in for good measure. Up front, you'll find AMG's signature Panamericana grille, a design element inspired by Mercedes-Benz's racing heritage. It's a bold, in-your-face design that leaves no doubt about this SUV's intentions. Flanking the Panamericana grille are larger air intakes, designed to feed the hungry engines with all the air they need to breathe. Moving along the sides, you'll notice flared wheel arches that house larger wheels, ranging from 21 to 22 inches in diameter. These wheels aren't just for show though. They're wrapped in high-performance tires that provide the grip needed to harness all that power. The rear of the AMG GLC is equally impressive, with a sporty diffuser integrated into the bumper and quad exhaust pipes that hint at the power that lies beneath the hood. The AMG GLC's design is a masterclass in sporty sophistication. Alright, we've talked about the AMG GLC's impressive performance and head-turning looks. Now let's step inside and see what it's like to live with this beast on a daily basis. As you slip behind the wheel of the AMG GLC, you're greeted by an interior that's both luxurious and driver-focused. The AMG sports seats are a work of art, offering excellent support and comfort, whether you're navigating city streets or carving up a canyon road. These seats can be upholstered in a variety of premium materials, including supple leather and sporty Dynamica microfiber. High-quality materials abound, from the soft-touch plastics on the dashboard to the Alcantara trim on the steering wheel and door panels. The centerpiece of the AMG GLC's interior is the MBX infotainment system, displayed on a pair of 12.3-inch high-resolution screens. The system is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to find the information you need without taking your eyes off the road. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom for passengers, even on longer journeys. The Mercedes AMG GLC isn't just about brute force, it's about precision engineering and cutting-edge technology. The GLC doesn't disappoint when it comes to tech, its driving mode selector sets it apart. Transform the GLC from a comfortable cruiser into a track-ready weapon. In comfort mode, it prioritizes ride comfort and fuel efficiency. Switch to Sport or Sport Plus and the GLC comes alive. The steering firms up, and the throttle response sharpens. The exhaust note transforms into a throatier growl. Now you might be thinking, hybrid technology in a performance SUV? Doesn't that sound a bit counterintuitive? And you wouldn't be entirely wrong to think that. But the Mercedes AMG GLC 63 SE Performance isn't your average hybrid. It's a technological tour de force that seamlessly blends electrifying performance with surprising efficiency. At the heart of this hybrid system is a rear-mounted electric motor that provides instant torque to the rear wheels. This electric boost is what gives the GLC 63 SE Performance its neck-snapping acceleration and effortless passing power. During deceleration and braking, the electric motor acts as a generator, capturing kinetic energy that would otherwise be lost as heat and feeding it back into the battery pack. This process, known as regenerative braking, helps to extend the GLC's range and reduce its reliance on the gasoline engine. The transition between electric and gasoline power is virtually imperceptible, and the system intelligently adjusts the power delivery based on your driving style and the road conditions. The Mercedes AMG GLC 63 SE Performance isn't just a performance SUV, it's also a technological marvel that proves that hybrid technology can be both exhilarating and efficient. Now, you might be thinking, sure, the Mercedes AMG GLC is a blast to drive, but can it handle everyday life? The answer is a resounding yes. The GLC is a performance machine at heart, but also a practical SUV for the school run. It offers generous cargo space, enough for groceries, luggage, or golf clubs. The hands-free tailgate is convenient when your hands are full. Rear seats offer ample legroom for passengers. It's easy to maneuver in tight spaces and ride smoothly on rough pavement. The Mercedes AMG GLC isn't just a weekend warrior, it's a versatile SUV for daily life. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. As you might expect, all this performance, luxury, and technology come at a cost. The Mercedes AMG GLC 43 starts at around $65,000, while the more potent GLC 63 SE Performance will set you back closer to $95,000. That's a significant chunk of change, no doubt about it. But when you consider the GLC's impressive performance, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, it starts to look like a relative bargain compared to some of its rivals. The AMG GLC competes in a crowded segment that includes heavy hitters like the BMW X3M competition, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio, and the Audi SQ5 and RSQ5. Each of these SUVs offers its own unique blend of performance, luxury, and style, but the AMG GLC holds its own with its well-rounded package. When it comes to a well-rounded package that combines performance, luxury, technology, and practicality, the Mercedes AMG GLC is hard to beat. Now let's step away from the spec sheets and marketing materials for a moment and see what real-world owners are saying about their Mercedes AMG GLCs. Overall, owners rave about the AMG GLC's intoxicating blend of performance, luxury, and practicality. They love the GLC's powerful engines, sharp handling, and comfortable ride. Many owners praise the GLC's luxurious interior, with its high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and cutting-edge technology. One of the most common compliments owners give the GLC is its versatility. They appreciate that they can use the GLC for everything from daily commutes and school runs to weekend getaways and track days. The GLC seamlessly transitions between these roles, making it the ultimate do-it-all SUV. Owners of the GLC 63 SE Performance in particular are blown away by its performance. They say the acceleration is unlike anything they've ever experienced in an SUV, and the handling is surprisingly agile for a vehicle of its size. Many owners also appreciate the hybrid system's seamless operation and the ability to drive short distances on electric power alone. Overall, the Mercedes AMG GLC receives high marks from owners for its performance, luxury, practicality, and reliability. So, after diving deep into the world of the Mercedes AMG GLC, from its potent engines and sharp handling to its luxurious interior and cutting-edge technology, the question remains, is it worth it? Well, as with most things in life, the answer is, it depends. If you're simply looking for a comfortable and practical SUV to haul your family around, there are more affordable options out there. But, if you're looking for an SUV that's more than just a people mover, an SUV that can ignite your senses and put a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel, then the AMG GLC deserves serious consideration. The GLC 43 offers a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and value. It's a significant step up from the standard GLC with a powerful engine, sporty handling, and an upscale interior. The GLC 63 SE Performance, on the other hand, is in a league of its own. It's the ultimate expression of what an AMG SUV can be, and it's sure to put a smile on the face of even the most jaded enthusiast. Ultimately, the Mercedes AMG GLC is more than just an SUV, it's a statement. So, would you go for the GLC 43? Or are you tempted by the power of the GLC 63 SE performance? Drop your pick in the comments. If you love this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Automotives, and check out our other videos on performance SUVs, luxury interiors, and the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.